Hello, my little friends. Are you ready to learn your colors and shapes with me? Let's go. I'm a red circle. Can you say red circle? Red circle. Nice. Now watch me roll. Roll, roll, roll. I rolled over, and now I'm a yellow triangle. Can you say yellow triangle? Yellow triangle? That's right. Good job. Hello. I'm a blue square. Can you say blue square? Blue square. Well done. Now let me show you my special move. I can bounce, bounce, bounce. Look at me. Can you say green triangle? Green triangle. That's right. I turned into a green triangle. Hello. I'm a big, friendly face. Can you say orange rectangle? Orange rectangle. Very good. Now watch me stretch out. Stretch, stretch, and look. I'm a purple star. Can you say purple star? Purple star. That's it. You're doing great. Now we're going to play a fun game. Can you find the blue square? Can you find the blue square? Here he is. Can you find the red circle? Can you find the red circle? There she is. Can you find the green triangle? Can you find the green triangle? Here it is. Can you find the yellow triangle? Can you find the yellow triangle? There it is. Can you find the orange rectangle? Can you find the orange rectangle? Here it is. Can you find the purple star? Can you find the purple star? And here it is. Good job. You found all the shapes. You're doing so well. All the shapes and colors. Now let's build a house for the weekend. I'll bring the paint. Oh, that's a great idea. We'll need lots of different colors of paint. Can you help me mix the colors? Of course I can. Let's get started. This paint needs some red. Can you bring me the red circle? Please. Here it is. Thank you. Now this paint needs some blue. Can you bring me the blue square? Please. Here it is. Thank you. This paint needs some yellow. Can you bring me the yellow triangle? Please. Here it is. Thank you. This paint needs some green. Can you bring me the green triangle? Please. Here it is. Thank you. This paint needs some orange. Can you bring me the orange rectangle? Please. Here it is. Thank you. And finally, this paint needs some purple. Can you bring me the purple star? Please. Here it is. Thank you. We have enough paint now. Let's paint the house. All the colors are working together, and they're having so much fun. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, and purple. All the shapes are working together too. Circles and squares and triangles and rectangles and stars. Wow, what a beautiful house. We did it. Yay! We built a house and we painted the house. And it's time for all the shapes and colors to go home now. Thank you for playing with us today. It was so much fun. Bye-bye. Well done. You learned all the colors and shapes. You're such a smart cookie. See you next time. Please like and subscribe for more videos.